I wanted to show you how to save a YouTube playlist to your home screen. Click on YouTube, search. Now you can search Yuta Sagugma and we'll bring up our spiritual channel. You can type in Pinoy Music English subtitles. Anything less than that is going to bring you up a lot of other stuff. But there's the top three are ours. So click on spiritual music, Pinoy spiritual music, playlists, created playlists. Click on the playlist and then share, copy. Then go to your browser, paste and go. Pull down the hamburger menu, the three buttons up at the top right, and choose Add to Home Screen. This is the procedure for Mozilla Firefox, but it's similar in Chrome. And there it is. Then you can drag it to your main screen if you want to. Drop it off. There you go. Have fun. Make shortcuts to all of our playlists. Talk to you later.